It's me again, Mr. CAMCO, and I'm here to show you the JS500 concrete mixer. This is one mixer you need to have. And when we talk about the features, it has a twin shaft which gives it an excellent mixing performance. It's built with a shaft and sealing technology which ensures that there is no leakage. And the best part is it's a heavy duty machine which is simple to use and has. For more information, you can visit us at our main branch located in Nairobi along Mombasa Road, City Cabanas, next to Tuskys headquarters, a place called Jul Phase 2. Or you can call us. Our phone numbers are right below here.